Acera Education Innovation is really changing the way that our school approaches education. I want school to be an amazing place for kids, and hands-on learning does that.
I noticed Myra is excited about school in the morning. What's important about this kind of work is getting into those kind of activities early enough in life. It gets her ready or prepares her to be a better person in the future.
It's fun to learn at school. I want to be a doctor. I like learning about science because it builds up your brain. I like it because it's fun.
Finding the time to fit science in when there are so many different pushes and pulls from reading and math is hard. I think what Acera Education Innovation has done is been able to show teachers that they go together really well.
Experiments they do at school, she comes and redoes 8 at home with us. I think she's very creative too, because whatever she brings at home, man, sometimes it blows off my mind.
I like STEM challenges because I use my imagination. The circuit challenges are when you connect power cords together to make power, and it can make a light go on and off.
What I want to achieve is setting my teachers free from the curriculum. I want them to feel the freedom to do what they do best, and that is teach our kids.
The teachers are the pyramids of education. We need to appreciate the teachers a lot.
My teachers are excited when I build stuff. I used my imagination to make a big tower. It feels nice when my teachers are excited when I build something.
Just in the course of 1 year, 25% more of my teachers are feeling extremely confident in running hands-on learning opportunities for their students. That's what we want to see, because that's where kids get excited about learning. And so the fact that teachers are feeling that much more confident after only 1 year shows where we could be in years to come.
If you want to build a house and you don't have the materials, then you cannot build a house. The same case applies to education. For you to have a better education, you have to have the materials, the books, the teachers. The support helps, no matter how real it is, no matter how big it is.
A huge thank you and shout out to Acera Education Innovation and all of their partners for bringing this type of hands-on learning to the McAuliffe Elementary School. We would not be in the place that we are today if it weren't for you.
Thank you for supporting my school.